Alright, hey guys. So
Hey.
we are in San Mateo for
Yes.
the Bay Area Maker Faire. So we've been traveling a lot the last couple weeks.
Yep.
We'll be home very, very soon. But yeah, at least for now, we're at the Maker Faire this
Chilling
weekend.
in California.
So we came a couple days early. We got to see San Francisco, which was super cool. So
We're excited to meet some people here and go see some talks and
yeah, we're hoping
see
we
what
can.
people do.
Yeah, we're not a very big channel right now, so we're just trying to find ways that we can help some of the bigger channels. So, you know, we're just gonna try to I don't know, just trying to offer them a few things. We have a car, so we're really just trying to be helpful and friendly. So, yeah.
There's a lot of just looking through the schedule. There's a lot of cool people here, like physics experiments, even what else? Like how to teach your kids to learn science. And so I'm excited. There's a lot of other cool stuff to see here too.
Yeah, I'm super excited. It's going to be a great experience. There's going to be a lot of really cool talks and booths and exhibits. I've never been to anything like this, but just looking at the schedule, I'm getting really excited. So,
yep. And we're science nerds secretly too. We love all the nerdy stuff, so it'll be fun.
So anyway, yeah, enjoy some San Francisco footage. The other thing. So I accidentally deleted all the remaining footage for the built-in. So that's why there's only 2 videos of it. I may put out another video showing what it looks like at the end, but that's part of the growing pains of a channel. Sometimes things happen and you lose footage and it kind of stinks. Me making a cutting board and a serving tray for my sister for her college graduation. My dad and I were going to be building in his shop with Jenny, so it's going to be some really cool videos, so I'm excited for that. And then we'll have a Maker Faire video out, and yeah, that's just kind of where we're going the next couple weeks.
We'll see you guys soon.
Yeah, take care.
Thanks for watching.